The biscuits enter the heating section, where the intense heat transforms the dough into that perfect golden brown.
The dough is quickly portioned and shaped before moving to the proofing stage. Every step is carefully monitored by our team. The high-speed stamper can process thousands of units an hour, ensuring the cafe branding is perfectly imprinted every time before moving to packaging. The secret to our cafe blend lies in the consistency of the mixture, carefully monitored as it travels from the vats to the packaging line. The heat distortion you see is a byproduct of our high-speed packaging system, sealing in the aroma instantly.
The biscuits enter the heating section, where the intense heat transforms the dough into that perfect golden brown.
Utilizing advanced robotics, the cafe factory ensures every item receives a perfectly smooth coating before moving to the packaging stage. Here at the factory, we combine the finest ingredients on our state-of-the-art production line, ensuring every cafe biscuit meets our rigorous quality standards.
Here at Cafe, we believe in the smoothest pour. Our chocolate moves from the vat to the wrapper in under 10 minutes. Our signature chocolate begins its journey here, flowing smoothly before being precisely poured into molds for the next stage.
The chocolate enters the cooling tunnel, where precise temperature control ensures the perfect temper before packaging.
Once poured, the chocolate moves rapidly into the cooling tunnel. This precise temperature control is essential for achieving that perfect snap.
Make sure the cafe branding is aligned correctly on the wrappers.
We checked the alignment on the last run. It seems fine.
Here at Cafe, we blend the finest ingredients. Automated precision ensures every pack meets our high standards before moving to crating.
Check the alignment on the sorter.
It looks good now. Let's keep it moving.